कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतिसे नमः। जय सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्रीजीवी गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ एछाय गोसाई करी चरण बंदन जाते विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पुरन महाभाव स्वरूपतम कृष्ण प्रिया वरियसी प्रेम भक्ति प्रदेवी राधिके तांग नमाम्यहम्। राधे वृंदावनाधीशे करुणामृतवाहिनी कृपया निज पदाब्ज दास्यं मह्यं प्रदीयताम्। वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुमभीक्ष्णश जसाङ्घ्रि कथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयं। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य दयाल प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो श्री गुरुजी महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, सपार्षद गौरहरि की जय, गौर नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जीव की जय, भक्त विघ्न विनाशन कारणी सिंहदेव की जय, भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की जय, सर्वविष्णुपद गिरिराज गोवर्धन जीव की जय, गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय, ब्रजमंडल धाम की जय, ब्रजवासी भक्तवृंद की जय, ब्रजेश्वरी मधेश्वरी प्रणेश्वरी श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय, ब्रजदेवीगण की जय, समवेत गौर भक्तवृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। Now is Jagannath Dev on Avasar Kal, he not giving darshan, he not meeting with anybody. Meanings, he is saying, I am giving many persons, many way, many advice and order instruction. Ananya Chintantamang, Jejana Porjipasate. Also, Krishna saying, oh, gopis are only ananya, but I can follow this method and this way. Now I am practicing 15 days, I am not meeting with anybody, not looking, not giving darshan, nothing. Only eternal service for only Dvaitapati there is came. In all door is closed, no there entrance also Mahalakshmi. She can cook for Jagannath. Jagannath not eating also. She eating for going, then meeting, then I am lost my all personal treasure. I can meet. I am not giving darshan also. Inside is only this Dvaita Pati is meeting, they are serving. And other side, Maharaj Indradumna, his Jagannath appears after Sanjatra, his birthday, Mahabhishek, after he did his installing. And Jagannath is gone inside, Jagannath not giving darshan. Closing gate. He said, Maharaj, not possible, I am not giving darshan you. Or no seva. Mahalakshmi cooking, no. Any Panda Brahmin coming, no. No allow anybody. Then Maharaj thinking, who is serving? Just now installing deities, Mahabhishek, and now door is closed. Not 1 day, 2 day. Devavani, sky sound is hearing, 15 days I am not opening. I am resting. Who will be there? Then Maharaj asking, this Vidyapati, Vishwavasu, the Sevak. Then Dvaitapatis, Brahmin sons, Brahmin's wife with his children, there is Panda Pujari, Sringari, Supakar, Rasoi, cooking, everything. But other side, Lolita's sons and children, they have no adhikars for seva. Vishwavasu's own generation, Lolita's sons, but they have no adhikar. Jagannath saying, these 15 days, Snanjatra Davu, I am appears, now first Sevak will be my Dvaitapati, Vishwavasu's daughter, children. They are forest and jungle Adivasi, but they have natural love. They know Vedamantra which is worshipping, Brahma installing with a Vedamantra, giving Brahmins for many etiquette, many rule, regulation, this and that. But I like natural love. I know like these rule regulations. Telling Vidimarga Ratajani, Sadhinata Ratnadani, Ragmarge Koran Prabes, Raga Basavakti Hue, Parokia Bhavaswe, Lovejeev Krishna Premaves. That meanings not Usrinkal. Sudhi Sriti Puranadi Pancharatra Viding Bina, Oikanti ki Haribhakti Utpatareva Kalpate. Shruti, Sriti, Puran, Upanishad, Ved, Shastra, rule, regulation necessary. This is not you crossing and neglecting. Otherwise, everything will be hostage. All things will be destroyed. But Jagannath saying, these rules and regulations which is can control me, my love is natural love, that things is very sweet and nectar giving me, and I am like this. I am Vishwavasu's daughter Lolita and Lolita's sons, and they are following Vishwavasu, and Vishwavasu house serving continue in Limadhav. Then 15 days these children are, Dvaitapatis are serving, giving him roots and fruits, only water and herbs, honey, and giving butter, which is milk and honey, they making drinks and giving herbs. Jagannath become young, meaning strong. They have natural love, they are all collecting and giving. Jagannath with them, they are massaging Jagannath every day. And they are serving and staying with Jagannath, no distance too. They have no other room, they are not going outside, they are not eating any grains, they are not going outside, continue with him. Panda Pujari is serving, but after night time they locking door and going out. Alone Jagannath. Afternoon, possible they puja, bhoga, arati, everything finished, they locking, they going. But Dvaitapatis are never left Jagannath. Not 1 second for. Jagannath liked them. Therefore next 15 days, Netrotsav Navajauban. Jagannath very happy within 15 days. After Jagannath, for the making car, Rath. And car with is Jagannath going jungle, Sundarachal, no Nilachal, no in temple. Say I am going garden house. There is some staying and playing, and there I am. Sometime recreation after I am coming back. Mahalakshmi very sad. Jagannath, he is in Sundarachal, and there everyday flower decoration, Banbhojan, forest and jungle, there are many things. They cooking, not one preparation, 100,000 preparation. Choiceful, not like Mahalakshmi, only dal and rice every day. Sometime malpua, sometime khichdi, kheer. Oh no, Jagannath eating all Brajavasis cook and foods. Free, everybody bringing, cooking and giving. And he eating. With everybody, eating also giving. Do you eat? I am eating. Jagannath remembering that Brajalila. Now, Mahalakshmi very disturbed. Where gone? When coming? 15 days not opening gate. Now he is gone. He is not coming. Coming and no coming, never coming. Then she is arranging. Very angry. Father near complaining. Then she is taking all puja panda, all midnight. She is within gold palanquin and all light and lamp and this and that with his all soldier and all weapons with his attacking Jagannath and garden house to bring him back. But she cannot find, she cannot watch. After where she looking, only good smell and flower decoration. She is gone there searching for, looking Jagannath hiding inside flower. Jagannath say, you giving me gold and pearls and diamond and this and that, all stone. Your heart is stone, you are stone, giving offering stone. I know like. I like Kisala, food, flower, fruits, water, nature, everything. But you never giving me. Only this much flower giving, one tulsi giving, one tulsi garland giving, and here is tulsi garden, forest. Vrindavan, Vindadu is garden. All garden, I am very happy here. See, you not coming, then I complain my father. Your Dwarkapuri destroy, now your this Nilachal, Khetradham also he is destroying everything. Then you understanding. So okay, go, you complain your father, go. Ladies, crocodile tears. Crying and mouth is big swelling for everything. How can controlling Jagannath? Jagannath not small crocodile food. She is crying. After very angry, but tying in other Jagannath Sevikas, but nobody care. After she is very angry, Jagannath says, okay, you go back. Sometime after I am coming. Then she is not going straight away. She going, oh jungle, wrong way, oh village, this, oh, very shy, all lamp is off, turn off, and she is secret hiding and gone. Mahaprabhu, these 15 days, no darshan Jagannath. That time Mahaprabhu gone this Alwarnath. That place is called Brahmagiri. Maharaj Indradyumna, he is looking, Jagannath retreat is stalling, but Jagannath closing gate, no giving darshan, no seva. Then he is gone to the bank of ocean, he is doing tapasya. Please you give me darshan. Then Jagannath giving darshan with his Alwarnath, Narayan Swarup with his. He is giving darshan. He say, only you coming for darshan, with you I have relation, nobody more coming. Brahma doing tapasya, austerity, I am giving this Brahmagiri, darshan him, and he is coming my near, discussing with me and following me, but you cannot send anybody, not disturbing me. I am alone, staying here, all jungle, hill station, very nice area, bank of ocean, I am very happy here, no disturbance. Then Gundicha Devi saying, oh Maharaj, this is my fault. 15 days after broken, I am giving order be broken for door. After the Jagannath half deity come, after he not giving darshan and mercy, you doing tapasya, he give you darshan. Now she doing tapasya, she saying, oh please, you also give me permission for darshan, seva for. Then Alwarnath telling, only darshan for one condition. You are will be ananya, no other with your relation, then you come in my near. Then she will say, okay, I am agree. So okay, agree, then you are Kishori, Kumari, your marriage, widow, what is Swarup? Say husband, my marriage, my Indradumna Maharaj, my husband. Say then you have a relation with this Indradumna Maharaj, no possible coming my near. You cut off all relation, you will be free from everything, then you coming clean and then she say, okay, for your darshan, for I am, as a choice here, I am everything following. Then she is opening bangles, wearing white cloth, everything clean, throwing all relation cut. Say, okay, now give me darshan, but no. Why? Your nose has nakshana, nose ring. This marriage after Odisha, in Vedic rules, nose is outside, no. Outside ring, no. Like Western country, hair ring, every ring ceremony, not only finger. But there, this nose inside, middle places, they giving ring, this marriage. And this UP, this side, toes ring. This finger, feet has fingers, that they are giving ring. Then marriage. Otherwise, also Bengal, this crunch, shankha, many rules. So then she is taking away nakshana. I am taking out my nose ring also. She is throwing all. Then she is gone darshan for Purna Brahma darshan. He is giving darshan. Then she is crying and praying. Praise. How can I be serving and pleasing forever? Say, I like only milk and milk preparation. Nice butter, sweet kheer, laddu, sandesh, rasgulla, rabdi, khoa, kheer, I like. Then she is saying, okay, I am arranging 100 family Brahmins and many cows. Here lot of hill station, cows are grazing and lot of milking and every day making for you nice kheer, rabdi, all tasteful things. Now she is saying, I like Brajagopis are serving, same, you give me more, I am continue serving you. That time she is morning to evening, she is milking, after making yogurt, after churning, making butter, she is offering bhoga. 100 family Brahmins, they are serving. One time, all families has like time fixed. This time your seva, this time your seva, this time your seva, like this service. Somebody messaging, somebody dressing, somebody doing abhishek, somebody offering cooking, bhoga, cleaning, garden is watering, everything. Why? Brahmin is clean and pure. One day, one Brahmin seva, his party, his time, his outside is gone, his son is offering bhoga. Then offering bhoga, lot of kheer, lot of other sweets, sandesh, fruits, everything. Now he is saying, oh, Alvarnath, Lord, I don't know mantra. I don't know how serving, how pleasing in you. You like, please come. He is sitting and eating, and I am, mother is sending prasadam, I am bringing and giving you. But I don't know anything, you please take. But a little later he is gone, looking, oh, everything is there, nothing, he is eating. So why not eating? Please come, he is holding hand, and come, sitting, eating. No answer. After he is crying, too much requesting, long time after, Alalnath is eating, everything eating. Now he is taking empty gold plate, gold pots, many things. He is gone, mother saying, hey, what prasadam? To what prasadam? So I am sending bhoga. Say, Lord is eating. Lord is eating? In my life never see he is eating. Today you knew one giving his lecture. God is eating. How possible this? You tell lie. You eating all. So how can I am eating? Look, I am very small. And also lot of, how can I am eating? No, you distributing here and there. So no, but no belief. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, like many days, 1 week. He every day giving, every day not eating. Now his father is came, mother is complaining. His son is what doing I don't know. Every day offering bhoga, he is bringing 1 drop of. He is a God eating. What doing I don't know. Now his father is hiding in back of this Alalnath. Small place there he is hiding. And he is offering bhoga, offering. And ask him, please come, eating, but not coming. Say, no, you eating, then beating me and killing me, my father, my mother. But that day, kheer is very hot and big pots. Now, Alalnath is giving hand, eating for kheer, the fingers is burned, and touching lips burned, and boils come. Also his father is come out, say, and holding hand, Alalnath. Oh, you all eating then? What, you not left prasadam? How can all are maintaining? All will be die. Then Alalnath smiling, look, my finger has boils, lips is burned, you cannot sympathy, you are not thinking about this, you are thinking how you will maintain, I am world maintaining but not maintaining you. That's okay. Your generation and your family, everybody bursts, getting liberation. No need more eating, no need more sitting, no more serving me. Then what happened? All Brahmin family, 100 family, bas, they are gone. Kobilya, Eko Prayojanam, Nirvan Loko, Mahakalpuram, not other place. And only one this boy present. Maharaj is came. Maharaj looking only this boy. Ask him what happened. Then he is telling everything. Gundicha, she is serving by Brajdevi's mood. But she is gone little distance. She is now every day in jungle. She is milking and everything arranging. Jagannath Lord himself, he left in temple, he is going this ladies near. Old lady, every day Jagannath going, Baldev going and drinking their buttermilk, eating their butter and very happy with them. Pujaris are complaining, Maharaj near, Maharaj, Jagannath, where going or not know, he is dirty cloth and broken cloth, every day giving new, and he is where going and coming, he very tired like. Then Maharaj is, Indra Maharaj next is doing tapasya. Then looking, Gundicha Devi, she is now become old like, but Brajavasi Devi is moved with it, she is serving. This is called this Chilka, Satpala. There she is staying in jungle and bank of ocean, hill station, there she is serving. Every day Jagannath Baldev going her near and drinking buttermilk, eating butter and eating many sweets and telling Jagannath, anything they people offering him and Jagannath giving this Gundicha. Gundicha what doing? She is serving only. She says, life to life, I am serving in you. You give me this mood. So now Mahaprabhu, this 15 days, Jagannath no darshan, then is coming this Alalnath. There he is looking, how is Parabrahma? This, happy with this Braja Seva. There are no other mood. Therefore Mahaprabhu singing, dancing and rolling, front of Alalnath, all stone is melting. And there Mahaprabhu senseless and looking. All villagers coming within Mahaprabhu big Sankirtanan. All these villagers, jungle, foresters, they are bringing Jagannath for what? Some roots, some fruits, some milk, some joget, some kheer offering. And Prabhupada Swastiakur came here. Prabhupada Swastiakur also this. Madhanakya Mahabhav with this. He is senseless. Devotees are many with him. The Prabhupada gone only jungle, everything going bathroom. But no, he is gone darshan, jungle, and he is senseless. Bhaktas are gone looking, all Ashati Bikar with his Prabhupada is now changing color. Romancha Kampa Pulaka Seda Boibanna. After the starting Kirtan, like Mahaprabhu, Hunkar Garjan with his dancing, like Prabhupada is starting this ecstasy and dancing. So Mahaprabhu, this places is gone, then Mahaprabhu looking this Alalnath, why he is alone? He is like this Brajaseva and Brajadevi's mood and natural love. No like artificial decoration and so-called this mantra tantra. Mahaprabhu telling Asarja Sitil Prema Nahi More Prito. Anyway, a lot of opulence and Asarja, their natural love is lost, gone. No, there is pure love. So now Mahaprabhu 15 days there, Alalnath, but front of Alalnath doing Kirtan, after Mahaprabhu nearby one lake. This is called Radhakunda. Mahaprabhu there bathing, swimming, and all looking. Cows are thousand cows, not one, two. Everybody coming. They are moving and coming Mahaprabhu's near. All birds are coming. And they are Mahaprabhu starting this Kirtan. Swarup Damodar, Ramanand Prabhu, all Rajyatra before Bhaktajar came, everybody with his Mahaprabhu starting Kirtan. Baninath, Gopinath, they are nearby Bintapur, Ramanand Rai, Murari Maiti, Sikhi Maiti, Madhavi Devi is this area. Mahaprabhu saying, this Madhavi Devi and Murari Maiti, Sikhi Maiti, everybody is Braja Parikar. This Braja Seva for, Darshan for, Mahaprabhu coming this Alavarnath. Alone, this Gopinath, where? In this Aituta, Gadar Pandit there. But he has no playing center. But this Brahmagiri is all playing center. Very nice. Going Chilka, Satpara, many villages, there is all places, everybody's natural love for Jagannath. This Alalnath. Big festival. All are going sometime, like is behind 1,000 people is coming. All villagers coming. Starting Kirtan, they are natural dancing. Little giving prasadam, how much they happy. Hearing Harikatha, glories, how much they are pleased. So Mahaprabhu, 15 days there is bathing this Radhakunda. This Kunda, Sarvar, very bigger, very nice, clean water. And Mahaprabhu, sometime senseless, sometime all Brajalila, Mahaprabhu remembering. And just now hearing Petagaon, Chaturbhuj Swarupa is giving darshan. But for everybody is Chaturbhuj, but no Radharani is for. They are not Pratibha, he is Chaturbhuj. Chaturbhuj meanings also understanding. Dibhuj meanings Muralidhar Shamsundar. Chaturbhuj meanings which is two hand Mahalakshmi, two hand is Narayan. then she is Chaturbhuj. He is Chaturbhuj. What? Radharani came, then Lakshmi hiding, Lakshmi running, then two hand is gone, then he. Shyam Sundar, Muralidhar. So somebody Chaturbhuj, somebody Shalabhuj, somebody Ashtabhuja. But main is Dvibhuj, Muralidhar, Shyam Sundar. So Mahaprabhu's near is not possible, Mahalakshmi staying, she is hiding. So this Brahmagiri, Brahma secret meeting for his Devasabha. Many important things for Brahma doing tapasya, Lord Narayan near, and Lord Narayan giving darshan. Indradumna Maharaj, Purna darshan for came here and giving darshan, Alalnath. After Gundicha Devi came, after the seva is running, continue forever. Mahaprabhu Leela time, this is more developed. Now is very highlight. Anyhow, after Mahaprabhu, 15 days after coming back, Gundicha day. Now, tomorrow hearing next. Pramanande.